My name is Jamal Sayah. I'm from Tripoli, Libya. I came here, to Selda Center for medication for my hair. I find exactly it's a good place. The team are good, the doctor are good. They help me when I came. They make it easy for me, and even good price. They don't take much money from me, and they. First night I don't sleep well because it's just 2 hours at the end of the operation. But the second day I feel okay. The third day is more better. Today I'm fourth day. I feel very good. The team, they never let me, when ask, they answer me straight away. And they help me a lot. What I'm gonna say, if anybody want to grow hair, new hair, just come here, certainly. I promise, I don't lie, this is the truth. This I feel I'm here. Thank you for everybody helped me. And thank you for when everybody wants to come again. Thank you all.